Hello my beautiful family, today we are going to update GB WhatsApp real quick. It has so many features that will help you have a better experience and you love this version of GB WhatsApp. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you'll never miss an update. Let's check it out. Firstly, we are going to disable two options. They are very important. If you leave them activated, they might prevent you from installing GB WhatsApp correctly. Okay, for the first one, go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find security and privacy. Tap on it. Now, deactivate auto blocker. It may ask you to enter your phone's password. Just enter it and then click on continue. For the second option, let's go back, head over to Play Store, tap on your profile icon and then Play Protect, click on this little icon at the top right, then deactivate Play Protect. It may ask you to enter your phone's password, just enter it and then click on continue. Now we are ready to download it. Open your phone's browser and search for this. You see it, right? And then click right here. You see it, right? Once you're on the website, tap on download GB WhatsApp. This is an ad. Click on close and then scroll down, tap on download file. Once it finishes downloading, go ahead to install it and then open it. Give it all the necessary permissions. Right here, click on the three dots at the top right, then link as companion device. Use the scanning method to link it with the official WhatsApp. Guys, those steps are easy, you just need to follow them carefully. If you're new here, give this video a like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care.